The 2018 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, automatic transmission, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.